Hello guys, today we are going to learning all fundamentals, all component about the React JS. So guys, today in this tutorial we are going to learning step by step all fundamentals about the React JS and also to show you all the package. And then guys, at first you have to download Node.js in your computer, okay guys? So yes, okay, in your computer, okay, and then we are going to uh, and then we're going to download or going to create a first file, right? So yesterday we already created this file, and then guys, if you are new, to go to check how we create a node.js file, okay. And then we see here this the all the modules for Node and React. So this will helps you to create your websites or to create your own React components. So because this file don't touch, because this one it will help you to create all your work or your project, okay. And then come here, you have a public folders. Also here you see in public folder, look in public folder you have many things here, but today we are not working anything about the public folder. Now leave this public folder. We are going to in source. Many things we use in source here, because you are going to change many things here and all about your work in here in source. And when you guys come to here in the CSV file, there will be CSV files. Now I just delete it. And then also here in app.js there's many about React, so I already deleted, but you when you create your first file you will see here. So because we want to create it from scratch, I already deleted. And then here inside here we have a main JSN. So this is the main file. And so here all the components you see here: React from React, React DOM also from the client, and then we have the app from app.js. So this file app, this is the main file also. And then this bootstrap, guys, come to download, guys, bootstrap, okay. uh, boot bootstrap, okay. You make a npm well go bootstrap, okay guys, npm bootstrap to download all, okay. So npm i bootstrap. So I already download npm bootstrap, okay. And then guys, you are going to download, okay, how to download bootstrap. And then come to bootstrap file, come to here in main file, you make a from export. There will be both index.js. I already delete from here index.js, it will be here. So take index.js file from here, and then to put this book exactly to use it, this one going to use bootstrap file, use like this. And then so come to here in the source file, to click, right click, and then go to right click, and then message.js. For this I made because I want to now run my hello world file here, you see. And then down here, guys, you have a index.html. So this one is going to be index.html is a with, I say, React. Our title, we are going to, okay, React JS course, okay. So this is our guys title. It's our title there. And here don't say anything, this live all of the package that downloaded from. So guys, don't change anything here, and you will see down here in JSON package JSON file. Also, you can see all the dependency you are find here in the name of your app. Here also in the vision. Also, you come to see here, and another file also we have here the name your, and then private and the version, and then also so on all the dependencies you will find here react, and then also react bootstrap that we already I showed you how to download. You see here this one react, and then we have also react down, so on. And come to here guys, so now we don't need this one and this one. So want to come in app, delete everything to create the import message from react message. So this file, it will be here. You see I already imported because I want to connect these two files will be work, right? And then functions called app, and then return the message because we want to give message, any message that we want to write inside here. So and then I export default app, our message here hello world guys, because in a message you see function message and return, we want to return hello world. This is for HTML to h1, and then export default message. Then now just go to so when you save this file, and then like this, and then you are going to see a css file. We are not now using any css file, so when you go to the browser here guys, to click, just to come here to click, if you copy this one you go to see, yes. So guys, here you seeing hello world on the browser, so it looks exactly like this. To see you guys in my next tutorial, we are going to create all our components. Bye for now.